darling Fumi Nation, how are you? How are we? And welcome to the first Fumi's Red Carpet Fashion Police of 2023, the Golden Globes. Yes, my darlings, let's do something fun. Let's do something positive. Let's do something fabulous. Are we living and loving this dress? You're not going to believe it. I got it at H&M. And I have bra hack number 3 to give it some firmness. I crossed the straps of this dress. You're not going to believe where I got it. You're not going to believe where I got it. I got this dress, my darlings, at H&M. Yes, my darlings. I was looking for some shing ding and I went to H&M. Can you see? And it was there for £18. That's what I love about shopping. Sometimes you go to the designer stores, you don't find anything you love. You go to simple H&M. And there you have it, my darlings, feeling kind of sort of, snazzy. And then I got a wig and I love this. I put more hair in front. I sewed it in front and then I just flipped it just to kind of soften the face. And here we are. We're ready for the Golden Globes, my darlings. A little bit of glitter and that's it. And then can you see my kind of beautiful rose gold earrings to go with the dress? And we are ready, my darlings. So without further ado, let me start with beautiful Selena Gomez. Selena Gomez wore Valentino. I didn't get the sleeves and I love me a purple. The dress was nice. The sleeves were just overpowering. She didn't need the sleeves. I would have loved if she just sleeked her hair back and that would have been done. But I saw Selena Gomez and I just didn't see Selena Gomez that I know. And it was unfortunate because it was a beautiful dress. Dare I say, the velvet, which I love, was purple also. Gorgeous, but she didn't need the sleeves. That is just facts. Going over to another velvet dress. And it's amazing how one can get it and the other one doesn't. This is beautiful Rihanna in Cipriali. Beautiful. Big bouffant cape. A beautiful crepe dress, very 1950s. So gorgeous. Velvet gloves. She reminded me of Dorothy Dandridge. I don't know, but she just gave me those vibes. She gave me Dorothy Dandridge and I am living for it. She's a new mom, as we know, of a boy. And she's loving life. And this black was fabulous on her. Then we have Ayo Edebiri, and she wore Rosie Assolin. Do you know I love the top? I love the top. And that was it. I didn't like the skirt. And I didn't like the gloves. If she wore a beautiful pencil skirt, black, or even a velvet high-waist pencil maxi skirt, this would have been life. With black gloves, velvet if she wants. This would have been gorgeous. She just looked like something out of a period piece. I mean, this looked very Bridgerton to me, and I didn't understand. I mean, why? And you have to understand, guys, it's not so much the actors. Actors are talented in the sense that they're really good at acting. Not all of them are fashionistas like me. Yes, I'm an actor. I'm an actor first before anything else. I don't know whether you guys know that. I started acting when I was 11. Yappy-doo. And I only got into modeling because I wanted the third prize, which I didn't get because I won it, was the car. And that's how I started modeling. But I'm an actress first. And over the years, I've acquired other, things that I can do with my life. I live for fashion, but I'm an actor. But not all actors are fashionistas. Not all. All right? Like J-Lo, fashionista, for sure. Alrighty. Then we got Letty Wright, and she wore Prada. Lived for it. I lived for it. I lived for it. She's very slight in stature. She's so striking. She's so beautiful. I loved this. I loved everything about it. I loved her makeup. I loved her hair. I loved the little intricate, very delicate details when it came to jewelry. I loved this dress. She hit it right out of the park. Yes, ma'am. Then we have Niecy Nash, and she wore custom Dolce & Gabbana, giving us the voom. Yes, ma'am. We're in our 50s. That's what it is. You got a little bit of junk in the trunk, and I'll take it. Gorgeous. I love the purple. I loved the hair. I loved the detail down the center. I loved the whole shebang. I want the cape. I want the cape. The cape is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have Viola Davis, and she wore Jason Wu. You know what I lived for about this dress? It was the navy blue at the very bottom. That was everything. I loved the ruching in the waist. I loved how it came over the bust. I loved her makeup. Her hair was okay. Call this an electric blue with navy blue detail. Is it that it's navy blue detail at the bottom, or did she get the dress wet? I think it's meant to be like that. I think it's meant to be like that. I live for it. I absolutely live for it. I think I'd have loved to have her hair scraped back. Just keep it clean for this look. But she looked good. I love her complexion. I love her smile. She's so beautiful. Another gorgeous woman in her 50s. Yes, Mama, I salute you. We had Danny Glover. And Danny Glover wore Saint Laurent. Lived for it. I loved the lounge. I loved the pajama. I loved the silk, the satin. I loved the fact that he wrapped it and wore a tuxedo jacket with slipper shoes to boot. I mean, it was very Saint Laurent. It gave me the vibes, and he's a vibe, I tell you that. It gave me the vibe that he is in his beautiful, extended bedroom with a balcony and a pool and a lover in bed lying on satin sheets. And his agent calls him and says, Danny, the Globes are tonight. And he says, all right. And he slips on his slipper shoes, wears the tuxedo, and showed up sun-kissed on the red carpet. I lived for it. I think also part of the fact that it's the confidence that just gives you the sexy. Yappy-do. Then we had, my darlings, MJ Rodriguez in Balmain. Very nice. It was very nice. I love the detail of the shoe, that gold shoe. I love the electric blue. She looked like a sweet, and she had her hair cascading on one side with beautiful jewels. It was very different, and I liked it. Yes, I did. Angela Bassett was a winner last night. Congratulations. And she had such a wonderful speech she gave in honor of Chadwick Boseman. I've loved her ever since she portrayed Tina Turner. I think she's strong. I think she's beautiful. She's feminine. This gives me life. Again, I love the hair. I really love the hair. And I love the dress. It shows her beautiful shoulders. So you know that she's lifting those weights. It's wonderful. It was very nice. I liked Angela. She looked good. We had Jessica Chastain, and she looked as if Spider-Man had come into the bedroom and cast a spell on her. Here's what happened. The dress was fire. The dress is fire. I live for it. I just did not understand the mask. The mask was too much. The mask was giving me, you know what, I can't sit by you. I can't talk to you. And I understand that we've come out of COVID, but we're still kind of COVID. I get it. I just didn't understand the fashion. It was too much. It was too much. It was too much. Heidi Klum, baby, hello sunshine. And we have her in Kevin Garmanier. I liked it. I love feathers. I love the fade of the purple to the white. I love everything about this. She is giving me life. Honestly, I love this dress. I love the feathers. I love the silver. I love the mesh. And she's got fantastic legs with the silver heels and the silver bag, clutch bag. Yes, mama. Heidi can be, hit or miss. But I loved it. I absolutely lived for it. Yeah, there you go. Why not? Cheryl Lee Ralph was wearing custom Ellie Tenney by Jason Rambert. It was fine. It was fine. And when you close up onto the detail, absolutely gorgeous. She's living her best life. And I think she's enjoying her success, or people are acknowledging her now. My God, finally, because she's a phenomenal actress from all the way back in the 70s. I lived for this. I love sequins. Well, you can see me here with a sequin dress. For those of you that are asking, this, like I told you, was a simple H&M dress. But guess what I did with it? I crossed the straps over. Yes, my darlings. It gave it some va-va-va-voom. Yep. And then I put a safety pin right here just to drop it so that it gave that sexiness. All of a sudden, you're thinking, what is Fumi wearing? Zuhair Murad? I wish I don't got the money yet. Hoping, but yeah. And all of a sudden, you have something that you're working with. I live for it. So when you have like a dress and you think, I don't know, cross the straps, loosen it in the back, cross the straps and put a safety pin so that it can drop. And there you have it. Yes, 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 ma'am. Okay, we have Zanrasi in Alexander McQueen. I love it. I love it. Not a sequin in sight, and yet it's so glamorous. It's beautiful. I love the body brace. It really emphasized her gorgeous waist. I loved it. Very simple. Very, very stark, but beautiful. Beautiful. I loved it. She was the best dressed at the Golden Globes 2023. Darlings, put your hands together for Laverne Cox, who wore vintage John Galliano. I want this dress. I would have loved this dress. The dress is fire. There was nothing I did not like about this. This was 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, giving me Laverne Monroe. The hair was very Marilyn Monroe. Beautiful, beautiful smile. She got it right. She got it what? She got it right, and she was my best dressed. No doubt about it. You know, when you invite Billy Porter's going to come 110%. And while I love the color, gorgeous, the velvet, it's getting a little old because he's worn this kind of thing before. So, I mean, Billy, give us something more, give us something more, give us something more, give us something more. You know, it's a bit predictable. Just the way, what does she call herself now? Kim is so predictable with that long dress, Balenciaga gloves all the way up to the neck. I don't think she's wearing Balenciaga no more. But you know what I mean. Uncle Babyface. My best dress when it came to men. Still got the baby face. Very clean. Very fabulous. At all times, I lived for this. Let me see if I can find out who he wore. Because sometimes they name them and sometimes they don't. I'm just at that stage where if I like it, I like it. And I hope that they will name it, you know, because the stylists have to get credit. And I found it. Babyface is wearing Givenchy. I live for it. And the original was with a leather pant. Ain't that something? But that would have been a little bit more MTV Awards. So I love the fact that he changed it out. All the stylists changed it out and put a trouser on him. The stylists do everything. They come and they just turn it into magic. And they did it for Babyface. I lived for the fact that he didn't wear a shirt and that he showed up there with glasses, because it is what it is. Then, my darlings, the one that kind of, I just didn't understand. It was comedian Lisa Koshy. She left nothing to the imagination. And that's okay, because it was very lacy, you know. But it was too low at the bottom. And it showed the thong. It's okay if you're doing it at the right place. It wasn't appropriate for the Golden Globes. It wasn't. I didn't care for it. Love her. Fantastic comedian. I did not care for it. And then, last but not least, I lived, is my beautiful Hilary Swank. Hilary Swank is pregnant with twins. And she is pregnant at the same age I was with Adrian. She's 48 and her twins are due on my birthday, April the 16th. That was also her father's birthday, who has unfortunately passed away. She looked beautiful in this green with the bows on the side. Congratulations, Hilary. I was an extra, yeah, on her film $1 Million Baby. And I got the pleasure of meeting Clint Eastwood, who was directing the film at the time. And so it's interesting how, you know, we crossed paths back and forth. And I was one of the I was one of the showgirls that would come into the ring and say round 2, round 3, round 4. I was half the size that I am now. But that was, yeah, that was me. That was me. And it's nice to know that she is expecting twins, double the joy. April the 16th, my birthday, her father's birthday, and I know it means everything to her for the mere fact that her father is here no more. And that was the red carpet for me, my darlings. Those were the ladies and the gentlemen that came down that carpet. Eddie Murphy showed up, gave a speech. We also had Brad Pitt in their classical tuxedos. And then we had, last but not least, which made a lot of rounds. And do I like it? Yes, it looked good on her, and that was Jenna Ortega in Gucci. Again, I would have loved to have her hair back because the dress was so busy, you know, but I love this blush. I love the blush. She's got a beautiful body. Yes, it worked for her. And that is it, my darlings. I hope you enjoyed the episode. And we are now in what? Red carpet season. So we're going to have a lot of Fumi's Fashion Police. I will be reviewing them. Let me know what else you guys will want me to review. But yeah, let us have fun. It's just been so gloomy, you know, with so much that is going on. I'm happy to come back to what I love, and I hope you ultimately enjoy. Thank you so very much, Fumi Nation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, give us some super thanks, and I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love. You want to see the dress again? Okay, let me get up. I'm showing off now. Just look at how gorgeous it is. I live and I love. Yeah, do we live? Do we love, my darlings? £18. Can you believe it? And it was on sale. I will try and put the link below. I will look for it for you guys. But when I tell you I live for it, it is everything. All right, guys. Love you. Bye.